Welcome to all in our lecture series of PPCM. In today's lecture, we have covered benefit cost ratio or profitability index. In our previous lecture, we already done with two techniques, net present value and internal rate of return. In today's lecture, we see about the benefit cost ratio and profitability index. It is the ratio of present value of cash inflows divided by present value of cash outflows. Cash inflows and outflows is this. The cash outflows is the today's investment, how much money you invest today, and cash inflows is you get return from that money after 1 year, 2 year or 3 year. So let's see definition of this. It is a ratio used in a cost benefit analysis to summarize the overall relationship between relative cost and benefits of a proposed project expressed in monetary or qualitative terms. Actually, what happened here, in our previous techniques NPV and IRR, they gives the present value or percentage annual rate, but benefit cost ratio and profitability index gives you the per rupees return. Means if you invest 1 rupees and you will get 1.18 rupees as a return, means you have found or find that you have gained the 18 paisa per rupees. So benefit cost ratio gives per rupee returns. Okay, so let's see key takeaways. If a project has a BCR greater than 1, then the project is expected to a deliverable positive. Means if BCR is greater than 1, then it is positive, means you have to accept this, and if BCR benefit cost ratio is less than 1, then you have to reject this, proceed not be considered. Okay, this is the formula for finding the benefit cost ratio: present value of expected benefits upon present value of expected cost. Otherwise you also write this formula is PV of cash inflows divided by PV of cash outflows. Now see here in NPV and profitability index, what is the difference? NPV is the value added to the company, means it gives the value, but PI gives the how much money you earn per rupee of the investment, means how much money you earn at the per rupee cost. Now let's see advantage and disadvantage of benefit cost ratio. Advantages is takes into account the time value of money, and it is useful to rank the project on the basis of index. Means if you have 3 projects, project A, project B and project C, so it is helpful to give you rank of that project. Means if we have project A, B and C, so you have to give B as a 1, A as a 2, C as a 3, or A as a 1, B as a 2 and C as a 3. So it is helpful in giving the rank of this project. Now disadvantage, it is difficult to compute and understand the analytical of decision on the basis of the index and indivisible project. It is not good for the individual project, it is well good for the various projects you have, and you have to find the which project is better for you. Now let's see one problem on this. Suppose we have 3 projects involving discounted cash outflows. Okay, means today's investment 5,40,000, 74,000 and 1 crore 20,000 respectively. Suppose further that the sum of discounted cash inflows means you earn how much? 6,50,000, 95,000 and 1 crore 30,000 respectively. Calculate the benefit cost ratio for the 3 projects. Means for 3 projects it gives us cash inflows value and cash outflows value, and we know that for finding the formula of BCR is PV of cash inflows divided by PV of cash outflows. So here we have given outflows is 5,40,000, for that it gives inflow is 6,50,000. So for project A 6,50,000 divided by 5,40,000, here we get 1.20. Project B 1.28 and project C 1. So in these three projects, which project is better for us? That is the project number B, because it gives at 1 rupee. If I invest 1 rupee, then we get the return as a 1.28 rupees, means here we get the 28 paise more. But in project A and project B we get 20 paise, or in project C we get 1 rupees, means outflow is equal to inflow, means I invest 1 lakh rupees, so after 1 year I will get the 1 lakh rupees only. So in this way we have to find the benefit cost ratio, and we use these techniques for finding which project is better or ranking the project. So today's lecture is over, guys. Thank you.